Welcome to Motorsports Mania, your ultimate destination for automotive reviews, specs, features, and all things cars. Today, we're diving into an automotive icon that has earned a place in the hearts of enthusiasts and collectors alike, the Volvo P1800. This classic car is not only known for its elegant styling but also for its reliability, engineering, and place in pop culture history. The Volvo P1800 made its debut in the early 1960s and immediately turned heads with its stunning design. Designed by Pelle Pettersson under the guidance of Pietro Frua of Carrozzeria Ghia, the car stood out with its long hood, short rear deck, and distinctive curves that gave it an exotic look uncommon among cars of its class. Unlike many Volvo cars that prioritized function over form, the P1800 combined safety, performance, and style in a way that few other cars of the time could manage. Under the hood, the early P1800 models came equipped with a 1.8-liter inline-4 engine, known as the B18, which produced around 100 horsepower. This may not sound like a lot by today's standards, but in its era, it provided a smooth and engaging drive, especially when paired with a 4-speed manual gearbox with overdrive. Later models received upgrades, including a larger 2.0-liter engine known as the B20 that improved torque and overall drivability. These engines were known for their durability and ease of maintenance, making the P1800 a dependable classic car. One of the standout aspects of the P1800 is its interior. The cabin was both elegant and functional, with attention to detail in materials and layout. Chrome accents, supportive bucket seats, and a wooden steering wheel added a touch of luxury, while the overall layout was straightforward and driver-focused. Despite being a sports coupe, the P1800 offered reasonable space and comfort, making it suitable for longer drives as well. Driving the P1800 is an experience that brings back the spirit of classic motoring. The steering is communicative, the ride is smooth, and the car maintains excellent composure through corners thanks to its solid chassis and suspension setup. While it may not have been a high-performance sports car, it delivered a balance of style and handling that few cars of its time could match. It was a vehicle that made you feel connected to the road while cruising in comfort and style. The Volvo P1800 is also famous for its connection to pop culture. Most notably, it was the car driven by Roger Moore in the television series The Saint. The appearance in the show helped solidify its status as a cool and sophisticated ride, contributing to its lasting appeal among classic car enthusiasts. Over the years, the car has built a strong following and is now considered one of the most collectible Volvos ever produced. Another impressive fact about the P1800 is its record-breaking longevity. Perhaps the most famous P1800 is the one owned by Irv Gordon, a school teacher from the United States, who drove his car over 3 million miles, earning a spot in the Guinness World Records. This achievement speaks volumes about the build quality and engineering excellence that Volvo put into this vehicle. In terms of features, the P1800 was quite advanced for its time. It offered front disc brakes, a solid rear axle with coil springs, and optional overdrive, which allowed for more efficient highway cruising. Some models also came with dual carburetors and later versions introduced electronic fuel injection, adding to the car's performance and reliability. As the years went on, Volvo continued to refine the P1800 with variants like the P1800S and the P1800E. The P1800S brought production to Sweden and introduced several updates to the design and mechanics. The P1800E came with fuel injection and a stronger engine, along with updates to the suspension and braking system. Toward the end of its production life, the P1800ES was introduced with a unique shooting brake body style that combined the sleek coupe design with wagon practicality. This version, although polarizing at the time, has become a cult favorite for its quirky and functional design. Today, the Volvo P1800 stands as a symbol of Volvo's ability to create not just safe and reliable vehicles, but ones that stir emotion and admiration. Its timeless styling, dependable performance, and rich heritage make it a must-have for collectors and a dream car for those who appreciate vintage automotive excellence. Thanks for watching this detailed review and feature breakdown of the Volvo P1800 here on Motorsports Mania. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more classic and modern car content, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest uploads.